Hi. So today's topic is types of lines. First is point. A point is shown by a tiny dot. A point can be given a name. Capital letters of the alphabets are used to name a point. For example, I will name this point as point A as capital and not as small letter. You have to name it as capital. This is the correct way to name a point. Collinear points. The points which appear in the same line are called collinear points. So if I have drawn a line and I have points on it, so all these points are appearing on the same line, and that is the reason they are called as collinear points. Points are A, B and C. Third is line segment. When we say line, we mean straight line. A piece or a line can be extended to make a segment. This is my straight line, which can be extended to make a line segment. A segment has 2 points showing its limits. They are called as endpoints. So these are my endpoints here. We write line segment AB as segment AB. In short, A and B are its endpoints. So this is AB, which is written as segment AB. Segment AB has to be written as SEG seg AB. A line is named using a small letter or by using any 2 points on the line. Line L has been shown alongside. Its name can also be written as line PQ or line QP. Since this segment has 2 arrows on both the sides, so there is no restriction on naming it as PQ or QP. You can read it as QP also and PQ also in any way because it has 2 arrows. Next thing is, if you want to name the whole line, it can be named with a small letter, that is line L. And if you have to name the segment, it comes in capital letters, that is segment PQ or QP. Next, rays. A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and goes it forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of a ray is called origin. The figure can be read as ray PQ. So this is a straight line, which is my ray, and it can only be extended in the direction where the arrow is going and not on the other side. So that is the meaning of a ray, that it can only go in one side, and the origin of this is the starting point. The figure can be read as ray PQ. Ray PQ has to be written as ray and then PQ. Ray PQ can never be read as QP and not written also as QP because it goes in one direction, so you have to read it in the same way. Next is plane. A flat surface is called as a plane. A flat surface is called as a plane, such as a mat. Next, parallel lines. Lines which cannot meet ever are called as parallel lines. It can be written as line A is parallel to line B. If I have a box in which I have two straight lines, one is A and one is B, then they can never meet each other. How much ever it can be extended but never meet each other, that those kind of lines are called as parallel lines, which is written as line A is parallel to line B. This is the symbol of writing parallel lines together. Next, intersecting lines. Lines which meet each other are called intersecting lines. It is written as line A intersects line B. So in a plane, if I have two lines which meet each other, then it is said to be intersecting lines. If my line is line A and line B, then it is written as line A intersects line B. And this is the intersecting point here. Concurrent lines. Lines which pass from the same point are called as concurrent lines. Now if I have a plane having more than 2 or 3 lines, which pass through the same point, then they are said to be concurrent lines. And the point is said to be the point of concurrence. So that's all from the topic of types of lines. Thank you.